explore also the linguistics, the parapsychological, the psychopathological, the pathophysiological, the neurocognitive, the neurological and the cognitive, and last but not least, the miscellaneous, where we will explore a number of different variances. Let's explore the philosophical aspect of mental disorder. Let's talk about logarithmically, quite a peculiar perspective.
Sure.
Pantheism has this idea of synonymous with divinity. Panentheism have this internal, external, intrinsic, extrinsic.
Now you have debate descending into logical fallacy. Pretty much all of them that you can imagine, but mostly like these ad hominem.
But I didn't have, down, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception. We can cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas. So